Hi, my name is Antonette Abaluado from Southern Luzon Technological College Foundation Incorporated, taking up Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Mathematics. My task for today is to talk about one of the types of communication. But before that, let us first define what communication is. Communication is defined as the sharing of information between or among individuals. It has five types. First is the small group communication. In this type of communication, there are three or more persons involved in the communication process. Next is the public communication. Unlike the small group communication, here we have thousands of people being involved in the communication process. Third one is the majority communication. Same as the public communication, there are thousands of people being involved. But here, the message undergoes a channel before it directly reaches the receiver. Fourth one is the interpersonal communication, or simply talking to yourself. And last, which is my topic for today, interpersonal communication. Based from our past schoolings, we have learned that interpersonal communication is one of the types of communication. But then again, technically, communication really refers to that talking to two or more persons, not only to yourself. And this is interpersonal communication. It is an informal interaction in the process of sending and receiving information between two or more individuals in a face-to-face encounter. It encompasses oral, written, or nonverbal communication. I believe that life is communication, and communication is life. That's why it is very necessary for us to have an effective communication throughout life. But then again, we are living in the world between good and evil. That's why there are also barriers against an effective interpersonal communication. And these are as follows. First is emotion. Extreme emotions is considered as one of the barriers of an interpersonal communication. The sender can sense the receiver's positive or negative attitude or feelings toward the message and may wrongly misinterpret the message being sent. Next is filtering. In this process, the receiver receives a message being revised by the sender so that this message will appear more favorable to the receiver. Due to this, we can refrain from offending the feelings or the thoughts of the receiver. Third one is overloaded with information. Our mind can only stimulate few information. Overloaded with information is considered as one of the barriers because if a person has so many thoughts in his or her mind, there will be an instance that he cannot express the message that he really wanted to express to a person. Next is defensive. When threatened or put in a disadvantageous position, the receiver may attack the sender's message through uttering sarcastic remarks, questioning his or her motives, or being overly judgmental. Next is cultural differences. When two or more persons of different cultures communicate, often they do not understand each other. Through this,